Hello and welcome to my channel. Rosa watercolors have become very popular in recent years, and YouTube is full of reviews of this Ukrainian brand of watercolors. This made me curious and I decided to test this watercolor set by Rosa. It's the Botanical set with 14 pens, which was on offer at Jackson's Art. There's also a 28 Botanical set available. Please note that I am an affiliate of Jackson's Art, so if you are using the link below the video, I will earn a small commission. However, I have bought this set, and with this out of the way, let's open the set. I like the cover art of this set. It tells you exactly what it's designed for, and according to the cover it has been developed in collaboration with Ukrainian artists. The colors have been made with gum arabic as the binding medium, and they are highly pigmented. The majority of these paints have a light fastness rating of 3, and only the green and the violet have a rating of 2. The paints sit in this pretty dark teal tin. The tin fits 14 full pans and you can take the middle bit out. On the bottom it also has a metal ring like most metal tins provide, though I am never sure what the purpose of it is. Inside the tin we find a piece of watercolor paper for swatching the colors. The set has 3 yellows, 3 pinks, 2 reds, 3 blues, 1 green, 1 violet and 1 orange. The paints are wrapped in paper and the sides that have the color info, number and name stick to the pan. What is noticeable is that these pans have these edges and are slightly smaller than your typical full pans you can buy from brands such as Winsor and Newton. I will unwrap these all off camera as it's rather fiddly and not very exciting to watch. So here are all the colors. I'm swatching the colors in the order they are arranged in the tin. First up we have the cadmium lemon, the cadmium yellow light, and the cadmium orange. Then we have the Opera Rose, the Bright Red, and the darker Madder Red. The Bright Red would work very well for poppies, and the cadmium yellow light would be great for sunflowers, which are the national flowers of Ukraine. The Opera Rose would work very well for cherry blossom trees. The next pink in this set is the Madder Rose, which is darker, and then Magenta Rose. The violet in this set is quite dark and intense, and it could be used for foxgloves and other purple flowers. It's a rich color. The green is quite a dark green and a bit like hooker's green. This set has 3 blues. Cobalt and ultramarine, and Rosa's own blue, which I really like. And then we have yellow ochre as the last color. As we have 3 yellows and 3 blues, we can also mix additional greens with this set. And here are the dried colors with their names. I have also swatched these colors on this little piece of paper that came with the set. Here are a few studies I painted with the Rosa set, starting with this Canson art book. The paper is made with cotton and cold pressed. Here I use this Fabriano watercolor pad. For the following flowers I have used this Botanical cold pressed paper pad. I like using this as it is strong enough for wet and wet techniques, and you can paint on both sides, and it is spiral bound. For the center of the sunflower I have used Roman Schmal's Blue Ridge Burnt Sienna. And here are the studies I painted in Jackson's Art own watercolor pad. It's a cheaper alternative to the Botanical and great for practicing. For these paintings I used this ceramic palette. I have quite a variety of ceramic palettes because I prefer them to plastic. I have different palettes for different brands of watercolors. I have bought this little floral watercolor set from Van Gogh a while ago and really like the colors. It has 12 half pans and is sold in this neat little travel case with a brush. It has 2 yellows, 1 pink, 1 blue, 1 green, 1 red, and a violet that I have swatched next to the rosa colors. The Van Gogh set has 12 colors in total, including a bronze and light gold for adding accents, raw sienna, ivory black and Van Dyke brown, so it is a little bit more versatile than the rosa set. I really like the Van Gogh phthalo blue and the rosa blue, both are very intense blues. Here's a flower painting I tried to copy from an instruction book. I love how vibrant these colors are. They really stand out. This set is also useful for non-floral subjects such as birds. This is a nice set for beginners and people who want artist-grade colors that are affordable. The colors are vibrant, and due to the variety of pinks, yellows and blues you can paint a lot of different flowers and mix different greens. However, I would have liked a raw and a burnt sienna and a Payne's grey or black in the set, as these are colors often used when painting florals. The Van Gogh set I have shown you earlier has a more versatile range of colors, but is more expensive, considering it's a travel set with half pans. You can of course mix your own blacks and browns, or you can buy the bigger Rosa set with 28 colors. One thing I don't like about the pans is that they don't actually fit very well into the tin. Overall though, I think this is a great alternative for beginners. Rosa paints are also sold in other sets and in tubes, so you can also just pick your favorite colors. I hope you liked this video. If you have a question, please feel free to leave a comment. And if you want to support this channel, you can do so by liking, sharing and subscribing. You can also donate via PayPal. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Happy painting. Until next time.